Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headline: CPEC Western Route to usher in new chapter of development in Balochistan. PM Prime Minister Imran Khan performed the groundbreaking of various uplift projects in Quetta. Our development partners should help us steer out of COVID crisis, Tareen said. The Federal Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen spoke in a 77th Commission session held virtually by United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific earlier today, speaking particularly on challenges faced by COVID-hit economies. PDM chief accepts resignations of ANP and PPP. Pakistan Democratic Movement Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman accepted the resignations of Pakistan People's Party and Awami National Party from all posts of the opposition alliance. Biden says vaccinated people can go mask-free outdoors most of the time. Americans vaccinated against COVID-19 no longer need to mask up outdoors when there is no crowd, President Joe Biden said before celebrating by taking his first short walk at the White House without face covering. Saudi Arabia in talks to sell 1% of Aramco, says Crown Prince. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince said in televised remarks that the kingdom was in discussion to sell 1% of state oil firm Saudi Aramco to the leading global energy company. Pakistan to prepare CanSino vaccine locally from next month. Pakistan will prepare a Chinese coronavirus vaccine locally from the next month. The vaccine prepared by CanSino Bio will be made locally in the beginning of May, the sources at the National Institute of Health disclosed. Pakistan sees record 2001 COVID deaths in a single day. Pakistan has reported 201 more COVID deaths, the highest number in a single day since the pandemic breakout in the country in the last 24 hours. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.